Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. Please don't forget to support your guy. Please support me by subscribing to the channel, sharing my video links with your friends and family and all your loved ones. Please, and also don't forget to like the video and comment whatever issue you're having. So right now I'll be guiding you guys on how to go about using your prepaid cards as UBA prepaid cards on Pyypl, because I noticed it's most times it will show you that only debit cards are allowed, a prepaid card is detected, this and that. So I'll show you on how to go about using it right now. So just watch, just pay full attention. So I'll be showing you now. So add money, click on add money, click on debit card. Okay, insert the amount. Make sure you've already funded your account with 10,000 naira already. So now after doing that, you need to be very fast. You see that once I put all the details, I will just go press pay immediately, so that it won't show me the error before pressing. So just do this. I'll keep pressing pay before it shows the error. You can see it actually shows the error, but it still went through. So that's just the trick. That's exactly what you need to do. So let's see if the transaction will go through. I pressed the pay like 3 different times. Keep clicking until it clicked on it before showing that error. So right now I need to get the okay, this is it. Copy it. So let's go. Let's see if it works. Paste, submit. So please re-enter your code. What's wrong with the code? Okay, another code was sent. This is it. Let's see if it works. It said my card was declined. Okay, this is what I will do. Let's try a lesser amount. Oh, this is the issue. It will keep showing this error. So it's more like I need to start again. So let's start again. Let's go back. Debit card. Okay, I know. Debit card. So I'm just showing you all the procedures so that you know how to go about it as well. So let me just put the 18. We're using 18 right now. Paste. Oh, come in. Let me go copy. So I just copied. I just pasted it. Let's be fast. Let's be fast. Keep clicking. Yeah. If I shows the error, it has clicked already. So it doesn't work. That means something must have been wrong with my prepaid card, which I don't know. It's been long I used my prepaid card, so I never can tell what must have happened. And it's definitely not expired, because I think I got the prepaid card somewhere around last year or earlier this year. So let's just see what happens. It's not sure, there's network issue, I guess. So let me try again. But the issue is just that it's just this error of this prepaid card not allowed. So it means I need to do it again. Oh, anytime you see that system error, this and that, blah blah blah, it's majorly network error. So don't really feel maybe something is wrong with the card or something. You'll be able to have network error when it comes to this most times. So let's run this one. Say, oh my goodness. Oh, I made a mistake. I'm supposed to put I'm boring you guys, I know, but I just need to make it this way so that you can see how everything is going. You can see how it's all going. I'm sorry. I'll still make sure it's as short as possible, the video. Just make sure everything is set before you finish putting all the card details. All other ones should come first before card details, because once you input card details, it will keep giving you that error that prepaid card is not allowed, blah blah blah. Let's go. Okay, this is it. 313833792. So you can see the money has been successfully loaded to your account. We were having 18.14 earlier. So now let me check what was debited. I don't have this mobile app as well on my phone. So let's see. Let me check what was debited. I'm trying to refresh the balance just so to see what I have left, so I can know what exactly was deducted. It's yet to refresh, still refreshing. Refresh. One thing is, I believe this amount might look little, but it's really go a long way to do some things for you. Even if you buy airtime with it, it's still something. So the balance is actually yet to change on my mobile app. UBA can be like that at times, though the amount I loaded on the account is 10,500 naira. Let's even assume they deducted what is it called, 10,000 naira, even though I know it should not be up to, and we get 18.14. sorry, I didn't take note of the amount that was deducted. 35.31 minus 18.14, that's 17.17. So you already know how to send your money to Binance, right? So let me just send everything to Binance. That's 35.31, 17.17. Even if it's 10,000, I know it shouldn't be up to now, because that would be too much. That would be way too much. So let me. Okay. I just saw the debit right now. The debit is 9,076 naira. So 9,076 naira. Let's go to Binance. Let's assume 17.17. So 11,509. 11,509 minus 9,076. That's 2,433. That's not a bad amount of money. So that's so cool. So to send the money now, we have 35. I have 35. How much is my balance? I'm sending everything. Sometimes don't be scared when you see that you couldn't send. When you click on this send crypto here, like it doesn't highlight, it keep loading on the next page. Yes, sometimes they disable withdrawal, so you just wait, hold on till when the withdrawal comes up. And if you don't have a Binance account, you can open your Binance account. But if you think you don't need a Binance account, or you don't know how to go about it, or you don't have one and you want to sell your phone, you don't know how to sell it, you can just chat me up. If you chat me up, I do buy Pyypl funds. I buy any form of dollar, BUSD, USDT. You can chat me up. I will buy and give. I'll actually buy it at a very, very good rate. So you can just holler me, chat me up. I'll respond to you. So this is the amount I'm sending to my Binance. This is it. And I'll confirm. It shows status refunded. What's wrong? It means something is wrong. So let me try again. just say 35.2. Confirm. I think something is wrong. Maybe the network of this particular platform is down or something. It's showing status refunded. So no problem. Since you've seen and you've known how to go about this, I'll be trying that. I will do that later myself. But the most important thing is you've seen how the cards run. So that's how it goes. Yeah, no. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, guys. Thank you. Bye.